The Verdant Powerhouse. Unraveling the Nutritional and Culinary Versatility of Spinach. Spinach, Spinacia oleracea, a leafy green vegetable belonging to the Amaranthaceae family, is a nutritional powerhouse that has graced our tables for centuries. Its vibrant green leaves, ranging from smooth to crinkled, offer a mild, slightly metallic flavor that lends itself to a myriad of culinary applications. Beyond its culinary appeal, spinach boasts an impressive array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, solidifying its status as a superfood. A historical tapestry. Spinach's journey began in ancient Persia, modern-day Iran, where it was cultivated for its edible leaves. The Arabs introduced it to the Mediterranean region, and by the 14th century, it had spread throughout Europe. Catherine de' Medici, the Italian Queen of France, is said to have been particularly fond of spinach, leading to the creation of numerous spinach-based dishes that remain popular today. Its introduction to the Americas occurred later, but it quickly became a staple in various cuisines. Nutritional symphony. Spinach's nutritional profile is nothing short of remarkable. It's a low-calorie, high-nutrient vegetable, making it an excellent addition to any balanced diet. Here's a glimpse into its key components. Vitamins. Vitamin A, as beta-carotene, essential for vision, immune function, and cell growth. Vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that supports immune health and collagen production. 1. Vitamin K1 phylloquinone, crucial for blood clotting and bone health. Folate, vitamin B9, vital for cell division and DNA synthesis, particularly important during pregnancy. Other B vitamins, including B1, B2, and B6, which play roles in energy production and nervous system function. Minerals. Iron, necessary for red blood cell production and oxygen transport. Calcium, essential for bone health, muscle function, and nerve transmission. Magnesium, involved in numerous enzymatic reactions, muscle and nerve function, and blood sugar control. Potassium, helps regulate blood pressure and muscle contractions. Manganese, an antioxidant and cofactor for various enzymes. Antioxidants. Flavonoids, including camphorol, quercetin, and myristin, which have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Carotenoids, such as beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin, which protect against oxidative stress and support eye health. Nitrates, which may contribute to improved blood flow and cardiovascular health. Fiber. Spinach is a good source of dietary fiber, promoting digestive health and regulating blood sugar levels. Health benefits. A verdant shield. The abundance of nutrients in spinach translates into a wide range of potential health benefits. Eye health. Lutein and zeaxanthin, concentrated in spinach, protect the macula from age-related macular degeneration (AMD) and cataracts. Cardiovascular health. Potassium and nitrates in spinach help lower blood pressure and improve blood vessel function. Flavonoids also contribute to heart health by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants in spinach, particularly flavonoids, may help protect against certain types of cancer. Bone health. Vitamin K1, calcium, and magnesium are crucial for maintaining strong bones and preventing osteoporosis. Anemia prevention. Iron is essential for red blood cell production, and spinach can contribute to meeting iron needs, especially for vegetarians and vegans. Digestive health. The fiber in spinach promotes regular bowel movements and prevents constipation. Immune support. Vitamin C and other antioxidants strengthen the immune system and protect against infections. Anti-inflammatory effects. Flavonoids and other compounds in spinach possess anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Culinary versatility. A green canvas. Spinach's mild flavor and tender texture make it a versatile ingredient in various cuisines. It can be enjoyed raw or cooked, adding a vibrant green hue and a nutritional boost to countless dishes. Raw spinach. Salads. Spinach leaves provide a nutritious base for salads, pairing well with fruits, vegetables, nuts, and dressings. Smoothies. Blending spinach into smoothies adds a dose of vitamins and minerals without significantly altering the flavor. Sandwiches and wraps. Spinach can be used as a healthy alternative to lettuce in sandwiches and wraps. Cooked spinach. Sautéed spinach. A simple and quick way to cook spinach, often with garlic, olive oil, and seasonings. Creamed spinach. A classic side dish made with spinach, cream, and seasonings. Soups and stews. Spinach adds flavor and nutrients to soups, stews, and broths. Pasta dishes. Spinach can be incorporated into pasta sauces, fillings for ravioli and lasagna, and mixed into pasta salads. Quiches and frittatas. Spinach adds color and flavor to egg-based dishes. Indian cuisine. Spinach is used in dishes like palak paneer and saag. Asian cuisine. Spinach is used in stir-fries, and in soups. Considerations and cautions. While spinach is generally safe and healthy, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. Oxalates. Spinach contains oxalates, which can bind to calcium and form kidney stones in susceptible individuals. People with a history of kidney stones should consume spinach in moderation. Cooking spinach can reduce oxalate content. Vitamin K interactions. The high vitamin K1 content in spinach can interfere with blood-thinning medications like warfarin. Individuals taking these medications should consult their doctor about spinach consumption. Nitrate content. While nitrates can be beneficial, excessive consumption of spinach, especially in infants and young children, may lead to nitrate poisoning. Pesticide residues. It's advisable to choose organic spinach whenever possible to minimize exposure to pesticide residues. Cultivation and storage. Spinach is a cool season crop that thrives in well-drained soil and partial shade. It can be grown from seeds or seedlings and harvested when the leaves are young and tender. Fresh spinach should be stored in the refrigerator and consumed within a few days. It can also be frozen for longer storage. Conclusion. A culinary and nutritional gem. Spinach stands as a testament to the power of nature's bounty. Its rich nutritional profile and culinary versatility make it an indispensable ingredient in a healthy and balanced diet. From salads and smoothies to soups and pasta dishes, spinach adds a vibrant green touch and a wealth of health benefits. By incorporating this verdant powerhouse into our meals, we can nourish our bodies and savor the delicious flavors of nature.